Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk all things related to coding and programming. Today we are going to start a series projects for React Native from beginners to advanced level. Here are some projects that we will be creating in our upcoming videos. First, calculator app. We will start by building a basic calculator app that can perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Second, we will create a stopwatch timer application. Third, we will create a notes making application. Fourth, we will create a water tracking application. Fifth, we will create a wallpaper app. Sixth, we will create a recipes app. Seventh, we will create a calendar app. Eighth, we will create a music application. Ninth, we will create a car booking app. That is going to be included in our advanced level React Native projects, in which we will be creating a car booking app, e-commerce app, social media app, and a chat application. Yes guys, these all projects will be created from basic to advanced level. I'm not gonna be creating a UI design and I'm not gonna finish this project. We will start it from start with the UI. We'll create their admin panel, including all functionalities, database, everything that a music app or a social media app or a chat application needs. We'll create all of that in our upcoming videos. Well, that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will start creating a calculator app from scratch. Stay tuned for more exciting projects in the upcoming videos. And I will catch you in the next video.